Alright, so we're doing equivalent fractions. So, this is an equivalent fraction because I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. I'm going to start off with one that you can do on paper, and then I'll do one that you can use a website for. So, here we go. 6 eighths equals 3 fourths. And I'm just going to put a division sign because it just makes it easier. And that's the operation that you're going to use. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 2 and 2 is equal. So I'm going to show you a different way of doing this. And here we go. Alright, so this is a pie with 8 pieces in it. 8 pieces. 1, 2... Or this is a pie that you would make 8 pieces in it. And now we're going to figure out, and I took 2 pieces away here. Alright, so let's just pretend this pie is supposed to have 8 pieces in it. I took 2 away because you ate 2. And that would leave you with 6 eighths of a pie. And then you have a pie and you ate 1/4 of it. And you have 3/4 left. Well, so that means, and if you look at them, they have the same amount of pie taken out. So you know that they're the same. Because you can take these into corners. And as you look, 1/4 of a pie fits right there, and right there. So that's how you would do it. And this is the NLVM US Education. And I'll show you their home website. And this would be their home website. Alright, so now we're going to do the next one. We're just going to leave the 18 out because they have the same amount of numbers. So now we're going to do 15 eighteenths equals 5 6. And I'm just going to highlight these division signs because it makes it easier. And then I'm going to write in my division signs. So now and this equals 15 divided by 5 is 3. And 8 divided by 6 is 3. And you would know this just because it's easier and they're multiplication tables. So, and that would be 3 over 3, which you'd get your answer. Now for this problem where you have to figure out what we're going to do, I'm just going to use 5. You just find a number that both of them can be divided by, and you'd get the answer. So 3 and 25 thirtieths equals, I'm just going to put 3 and something because you're going to keep 3 on both of them. So now you would do 25 divided by 5, and you would get, I'm going to put this in a different color. 25 divided by 5 divided by 5, and here you would get, and here it would be 25 divided by 5 equals 5. And 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So that would be your answer. 3 and 6, 5 and 5, 6. Now this is a improper fraction, so we're gonna change this into a real fraction. So I'm gonna see how many times 8 can go into 18. So 8, 16. That's twice, because if you keep going, you'd get 24. So twice. So it would be 2 and 16 divided by 16. And then you do 16 minus 8, 18 minus 16. You'd get 2. So it would be 2 and 2 eighths. And I'm just going to erase this so there's more room. Equals. And these both can be divided by 2. So I'm going to put divided by 2, divided by 2. And you would get, and I'm just going to bring the 2 over because you always bring the 2 over because it'd be the same one. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So it'd be 2 and 1/4, and they're equivalent fractions. And now do you want to check it? So we do, I'm just going to not use the numbers, 2 divided by 1, and then 8 divided by 4. That would be 2 divided by 1 is 2, and 8 divided by 4 is 2, so that would be the answer. And now we're going to figure out how we would answer this one. So I'm going to do the same thing again on the side. Would be 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So 32, 32, 40. Can't use this one, and these are too little. So 32 is alright. So that would be times 4. So it would be, and then you do 2 plus 4, because there's already a 2, so that would be 6, and so 36 divided minus 4. Here's 4. So it'd be 6 and 4 eighths. And these both can be divided by 2, so I'm just going to answer it with the 2's. So this would be divided by 2, and you would get, and then you'd put an equal sign. Alright, so now it would be 4 divided by 2, which is 2. And you'd always bring your 6 over because you just always carry it over. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So you get your answer is 2/4. And you can keep going down with that, but we're not because they're equivalent fractions. So I will check this by 2/4 divided into 4, 2/4. 4/8 equals 2/4. And then we're just going to divide these two, and divided by 4 divided by 2 equals 2, and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And that would be answered because they're the same. So here's your answer. Alright, that's the answers. I'm Faze.